See here on safari, if you're real quiet, we won't spook the herds going across the plains of Merryweather. And we're here to get their wildest concert stories.
Scorpions, Capitol Center, Blackout Tour.
It'd have to be 97 in the rain, upper deck.
Things got a little bit crazy. Me and my friend had a little bit too much fun.
And we were right up front singing along, and
I met this guy there, and he was really cute when I was really drunk beforehand, which I learned later that he's actually not that cute.
Just watching the show, we had our umbrella because it was raining.
And then we started to have sex.
Like we are right now.
Exactly.
And I just got violated repeatedly. I can't help it.
I drive to the next door Burger King, throw my clothes back on, where there are all these people standing outside watching me as I'm completely naked, throwing my clothes back on.
And then they were just trying to start a fight. Totally.
Yeah, totally.
I kind of got the push, like someone was like crowd surfing a stage item, so I turned around to help whoever's crowd surfing, and there was this girl about 5'6" with like double Ds.
I was crowd surfing, and it was a crazy show, and and I was having a great time.
And I managed to grab a huge grab of both of them.
I enjoyed it very much.
You were just trying to help.
I was just trying to help. I didn't want her to fall on her head or something like that, so I was able to grab
She was
her.
padded though, sir.
And we got kicked out of the concert midway through for having indecent exposure.